People always say, nice plan, but my brain turns wild at 3 a.m.
And most advice fails because it ignores real life. So let's talk about the objections people actually have.
Fine. First objection. I have to check the time.
Clock checking is fuel. The moment you see a number, your brain starts calculating. How many hours left? Am I ruined tomorrow? That calculation is a threat signal.
Sure, but if the phone is also the alarm, telling people don't check is unrealistic.
Then make it harder to check. Put the phone across the room, face down, on night mode, or use a cheap alarm clock and keep it out of sight. You're not trying to win with discipline, you're removing a trigger.
Okay, but what if they still check? People do it automatically.
Then they should expect the spike. If you check and your heart races, that's not proof you're broken. It's a predictable nervous system response. The fix is not shame. The fix is stop feeding it.
Second objection. Breathing doesn't work for me. I hear this nonstop.
Because people use breathing like a test. They do 1 minute and think, if this doesn't knock me out, it's useless. That pressure keeps arousal high.
So you're saying the goal shouldn't be sleep.
Exactly. The goal is to downshift 1 notch. If you aim for instant sleep, you turn the exercise into performance.
But some people hate counting and get more stressed.
Then don't count. Inhale gently. Exhale a little longer. Smooth, quiet, low effort. If you feel dizzy or panicky, stop and return to normal breathing. No forcing.
I'd add this. The exhale matters more than the inhale. People try to take a big breath and it feels like work.
Agreed. Make it boring.
Third objection. My mind races. I can't stop thinking.
You can't stop thoughts by wrestling them. That's like trying to stop a wave by punching it.
So what do? Just let the thoughts run?
They stop treating thoughts like commands. Label them once. Planning, worry, memory, doom story, and come back to the body.
Labeling sounds too simple.
Simple doesn't mean weak. Labeling creates distance. It breaks identification.
People will say, but my worries are real.
Of course they're real, but 3 a.m. is not the time to solve them. That's the core rule. No problem solving at night.
So you need a script.
Yes, 1 sentence, not a speech.
Fine. Not now. Tomorrow me can handle it.
Good. Short, believable, repeatable.
Fourth objection. I need my phone to relax.
People confuse relief with regulation. Scrolling can numb you, but it often keeps the nervous system activated. Light, novelty, emotions, messages.
But telling someone never use your phone makes them quit the whole plan.
Then give a frictionless replacement. Something as easy as scrolling, but less stimulating.
Like what?
A boring audiobook, low volume with a sleep timer, a printed page you've read before, or a repeated phrase in the dark.
If they must use the phone, make it the least exciting phone ever. Lowest brightness, grayscale if possible, no feeds, no messages, just audio.
And the screen stays off. Otherwise, they'll end up on a rabbit trail.
Fifth objection. I wake up already anxious. Tight chest, fast heart.
We should be careful. Severe chest pain, severe shortness of breath, fainting, or symptoms that feel dangerous need medical attention. But for the common 3 a.m. adrenaline surge, you lower threat and you lower effort.
Give the simplest steps.
Unclench the jaw, drop the shoulders, relax the hands. That posture shift matters.
Then 2 long exhales.
And orientation. Look around slowly and name 3 neutral objects. It tells the brain, I'm in my room. This is not an emergency.
People underestimate how much their brain is still half dreaming. Orientation snaps them back.
Exactly. Grounding without drama.
Sixth objection. I keep waking up to pee.
Keep it boring. No bright lights, no phone, no thinking. Return to bed and run the same routine. Also, if it's frequent, that's worth discussing with a clinician.
Seventh objection. My partner snores. The kids wake me. The dog jumps on the bed.
Real life. You can't control every interruption, so you control the recovery.
Meaning?
Your goal isn't perfect sleep. Your goal is fast return to baseline. Same protocol every time. Repetition trains the system.
Eighth objection. My schedule's chaotic. Shift work, late nights.
Then you simplify. 2 anchors you can keep most days. Light when you wake, whenever that is, and caffeine timing. Delay caffeine a bit after waking and avoid it late in your day.
Even if your morning is 2 p.m., light still counts.
And don't compensate with long naps. If you nap, keep it short.
Now, let's talk about mistakes, because people sabotage themselves in predictable ways.
Mistake 1 is negotiating with sleep.
If I fall asleep right now, I'll get 4 hours and 12 minutes.
That math is a threat signal. It tells your brain tomorrow is dangerous. Replace it with a rule. No math, only calming.
Mistake 2, making the routine complicated. People create a 12-step ritual and then stay awake because it feels like homework.
2 minutes, same order, no creativity at 3 a.m.
Mistake 3, trying to fix tomorrow tonight. Planning, emailing, scrolling, cleaning, anything that feels like taking control.
That's adrenaline behavior. Tomorrow can wait.
Okay, so what's the exact routine? Make it so simple someone can do it half asleep.
Here it is. The moment you wake, don't check the time. Don't touch the phone.
Then relax the jaw, tongue, shoulders, hands.
Then 6 slow breaths with a slightly longer exhale. No forcing.
Then one sentence. I'm safe. This is just a wake up. My job is to rest.
And if thoughts show up, label once, worry, and come back to the exhale.
2 minutes, that's it.
And if you're getting more alert in bed,
Then get out briefly. Dim light, no screens, no tasks. Sit, breathe, read one boring page. Return when sleepy.
the rule is don't start a new life at 3 a.m.
Quick recap in 3 lines.
Remove the trigger. No clock, no phone.
Downshift the body, soft face, long exhale.
Protect tomorrow. Light and caffeine timing, no revenge naps.
Now give them a challenge so they actually do it.
7 days. If you wake at night, run the same 2-minute protocol every time.
And in the morning, get a few minutes of daylight when you wake and delay caffeine a bit.
And if you miss a day, you don't judge it. You restart. The win is repetition, not perfection.
One more thing. If insomnia is severe, lasts weeks, or is destroying daily function, talk to a qualified clinician.
And if there are red flags like severe chest pain, severe shortness of breath, fainting, severe depression, or self-harm thoughts, seek help urgently.
Next episode?
Racing thoughts, the my brain won't shut up episode.
And we'll give a simple script for the thoughts you can't turn off.
If you want that, subscribe and comment 3 a.m. protocol.
Try it tonight. Keep it simple. No hype.
A calmer night is a win.